SB19 delivers an outstanding, phenomenal, and magnetic performance at the 2026 Summer Sonic Festival in Osaka. Today, actually yesterday po, SB19 is currently trending number 1 worldwide following their iconic performance at the 2026 Summer Sonic Festival in Osaka. Bago pa man ang Summer Sonic ay napakarami na nga po mga artikulo sa iba't ibang bansa ang naglalabas ng nasabi nga po magiging performance ng SB19 sa Summer Sonic, katulad ng Lollapalooza na until now ay pinag-uusapan pa rin. Ayon sa article na ito, SB19 performs in Japanese fans rejoice at the excitement of Summer Sonic Osaka. At ang sunglasses na suot ni Josh at ni Ken, meron pala itong kwento. Siyempre, kwento ng 18 yan. Pablo tell Justin Ken, mag-white tayo, wag natin sabihin kay Josh. Ken and Josh, mag-shades tayo, wag natin sabihin sa tatlo. Pablo, Josh, Ken, Justin, wag tayong magsando, wag natin sabihin kay Stel. Pablo, Ken, Justin, mag-jacket tayo, wag natin sabihin sa dalawa. Ay, ganun ba talaga ang nangyari? Dumako naman po tayo sa botohan ng Billboard Fan Army kung saan ay nakikipagtunggali nga ang 18 sa katunggali ng SB19 na si Benson Boone. Kasalukuyan po ay angat ang boto ng SB19 na may 55.1% habang si Benson Boone naman ay 44.9%. Ang nais po ng 18 ay muling masungkit ang pang-apat na pagbawagi sa Billboard Fan Army. At ito na nga po ang latest update mula sa Popcore. SB19 sparks over 2 million mentions and 8 million engagements after Summer Sonic Osaka. At mula po kay Edward Cortez Jonyo, aniya SB19 generated a massive attention following their Summer Sonic 2026 performance in Osaka, with music pop culture account Popcore reporting that the group sparked more than 2 million mentions and 8 million engagements on X. The reported figures highlight the scale of online conversation surrounding SB19 as they bring Filipino P-pop to one of Japan's biggest music festivals. The group's international momentum follows the recent Lollapalooza 2026 debut in Chicago and continued activities in Japan. The 2 million mentions and 8 million engagements figures are attributed to Popcore's report and should be treated as reported social media metrics rather than an independently verified official X statistic. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.